Hello, my name is BStehlik, and this is part 2 of the General Chemistry 1 Capstone. Today, I'll be covering fertilizer, drinking water, and how it ties into General Chemistry 1. So first, limiting reactants. As covered before, nitrogen is the limiting reactant in plant growth and is extremely important for the health and life of the plant. In General Chemistry 1, both lecture and lab, we covered limiting reactions. We calculated the amount of theoretical product or simply identified what the limiting reactant is. Concentrations. Again, as we covered before, the higher of a concentration of nitrogen in water, the exponentially worse the body of water handles it. We have covered the topics of concentration in General Chemistry 1, such as measuring and calculating. Scientists are using these same techniques and ideas to understand and figure out the nitrogen pollution in waters. Chemical equations and reactions. In the study of nitrogen, fertilizer, and pollution, there are many chemicals reactions that take place. In General Chemistry 1, we have covered the many chemical reactions and topics that come with it, such as balancing chemical equations, predicting chemical equations, and forming chemicals in lab. Water treatment uses many chemical reactions to attempt to make nitrogen polluted water safe to drink, as you can see here. Percent yield. Denitrification is a process used both in water treatment and occurs naturally in streams and bodies of water. Similarly to the many labs we have had in General Chemistry 1, the reaction in experiment yields less than theory, thanks to the losses and imperfect conditions. Problem solving. The topic around nitrogenous fertilizer and its effect prompt for a lot of problem solving and out-of-the-box ideas. General Chemistry 1 also prompts for problem solving and out-of-the-box ideas, from theorizing the shape and size of electrons and experimenting with unseen atoms to how to accurately measure extremely large or small numbers. In conclusion, General Chemistry 1 has covered many topics that connect to the outside and unknown world. The topics and ideas surrounding nitrogenous fertilizer stem and connect to concepts in science and the basics of general chemistry. The difference between in class and in the real world may seem very large at first, but in reality, class is a decluttered and simpler version of the reality that scientists face. Here are my sources. Thank you so much.